musical Showboat, please welcome Caitlin Smith.
So your barge and I lift your heavy, heavy bell. Oh, I got a little too drunk and then I wound up in jail. And now I get real tired. Oh, I get so sick of trying. Tired of living, but I'm scared of dying now. Oh, Mary River, he keep rolling along. He'll be rolling well after we're gone.
Wonderful, Caitlin. Good to have you on the show. That was fantastic. Now, you're a spokesperson for the Foundation of the Blind, one of them.
I have been, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Tell me about that, please.
I am partially sighted myself and legally blind.
Right.
Most blind people actually have vision.
How can you be illegally blind?
Illegally blind would be a challenge, but legally blind just means under a certain quotient of vision. So I've got 5% in one eye and 10% in the other.
You're in a band, you've got a group called the Fondue Set?
I sing with a couple of guys in the Fondue Set as well as other bands, and we've got 2 CDs, both cheesy. One's called In a Blue Vein, and the first one was called Stick a Fork in It, but if you're wanting to get them, you can't, because we're sold out.
Good on you, mate. Hey, look, this is the part of the show where you and I do a little song together, and I'd like to do a Kiwi classic. It's called 10 Guitars, and we'll just do it in A, 10 Guitars.
I didn't know we were doing that one.
Oh, they didn't get hold of you?
No.
Oh, OK, we'll do one of your songs then.
Well, why don't we do something you know?
Okay.
What you know?
Georgia?
Georgia. Oh, Georgia. The whole day through, it's just an old sweet song keeps Georgia on my mind, Lord. Georgia on my mind.
Georgia, Georgia, this song's for you. Come sweet and clear, like moonlight through the pine. find.
Just an old sweet song keeps Georgia on my mind.
Thanks, Caitlin. I really enjoyed that. Ladies and gentlemen, Caitlin Smith. Awesome.